GSTR-1 is the statement of your outward supplies. It captures all details of outward supplies, credit notes, and debit notes made during a month or quarter. In essence, it informs the government about your sales transactions, who you sold to, the value of the sale, and the GST charged. Keeping your returns accurate and timely enables input tax credit claims for buyers. As a regular GST registered taxpayer, including SEZ units or casual taxable persons, you are required to file GSTR-1. However, businesses under the composition scheme or non-resident taxpayers, input service distributors are exempt from filing GSTR-1. The due dates for filing GSTR-1 depend on your filing frequency. For monthly filers, the return is due by the 11th of the following month. If you're filing quarterly, means under the QRMP scheme, it's due by the 13th of the month after the quarter ends. For example, the GSTR-1 for the month of March 2025 will be filed on 11th April 2025. And for QRMP taxpayers, the quarterly return for January to March 2025 needs to be filed by 13th April 2025. Missing the deadline may lead to additional penalties. Head to www.gst.gov.in. Log in using your credentials. Once you're in, on the dashboard, click on the Returns Dashboard button. Now, the File Returns page is displayed. Select the financial year, quarter, and return filing period from the drop-down list. Click Search button. To prepare your GSTR-1 return on the GST portal, click Prepare Online to enter invoice and supply details directly on the portal. Alternatively, use Prepare Offline to upload a JSON file containing all the invoice details to populate your return. This is the GSTR-1 dashboard. It's divided into different sections or tables depending on the type of transaction. B2B invoices, taxable supplies to registered buyers. B2C large, interstate supplies with invoice value more than 1 lakh rupees to unregistered buyers. Exports, if you sold abroad. B2C others, interstate supplies up to rupees 1 lakh and intrastate supplies to unregistered buyers. Nil rated supplies, to add consolidated details of nil rated, exempt and non-GST outward supplies. Details of credit or debit notes. If you have any tax liability on account of advances received, the same may be reported in Table 11. HSN-wise summary of outward supplies, to furnish the summarized details of all outward supplies HSN and rate-wise along with quantitative details and others. Click on the B2B invoices tile. Then, click Add Record. Enter the GSTIN of the recipient. Enter invoice number, date, invoice value, place of supply and tax amounts. After fill in the invoice details, click Save. You can repeat the process to add as many invoices as needed. Simply go through the other tiles one by one. For B2C large, enter the invoice level data. For exports, enter shipping bill details and invoice details. For credit, debit notes, fill in the details as per your transaction. HSN-wise summary. Table 12 must be filled to summarize outward supplies by HSN code. Documents issued. Table 13. Here, list summary of documents issued, invoices, credit, debit notes, revised invoices in that period. Use nil rated or exempt or non-GST supplies tile to capture supplies which are not taxable. Similarly, you can save each section separately and come back anytime before submission. If you need to amend a previously filed invoice within the same tax period, go to the Tile 9A, Amended B2B, B2C Export Invoice. Select Financial Year and enter the invoice number to be amended. Click Amend Record and update details, then click Save. If you are generating e-invoices on Invoice Registration Portal (IRP), there is no longer a need to enter the details of such e-invoices while filing Form GSTR-1. As these e-invoices details are transmitted from IRP to the GST portal and auto-populated in the relevant tables of Form GSTR-1, making the return filing process faster, easier and more accurate. If there is a need for reconciliation of the transmitted details, click on the Download Details from E-Invoices Excel option. An Excel file will be generated containing the invoice reference number, IRN generation date and its status. Review the auto-populated data for accuracy and make any necessary amendments if required in the Form GSTR-1 on the GST portal. Once all details are entered, click on Generate GSTR-1 Summary at the bottom. Wait for the system to process. You will get a notification when it's generated successfully. After clicking on Generate Summary button, refresh the page. Then, your Generate Summary button will be replaced by Proceed to File Summary button. Now, click on Proceed to File Summary. Your summary has been generated. You can review it or download it for future reference. If everything looks correct, you can proceed further to file the statement. Click on File Statement. The returns filing for Form GSTR-1 page is displayed. Select the Declaration checkbox. In the Authorized Signatory drop-down list, you'll see two options: File with DSC, Digital Signature Certificate, or File with EVC. OTP on email and phone option. Once you enter and verify the OTP or enter the DSC, you'll get an ARN, Acknowledgement Reference Number. You can now download or print the GSTR-1 acknowledgement for your records. Congratulations! Your GSTR-1 is officially filed. It is mandatory for all GST-registered taxpayers to file a GSTR-1 return even if there were no supplies during the month or quarter. In such case, you'll need to file nil GSTR-1 return. From the Returns dashboard, click on Prepare Online under the GSTR-1 tile. Select the File nil GSTR-1 checkbox and then click on File Statement. Finally, file your return by either using DSC or an EVC. Alternatively, you can file a nil Form GSTR-1 through SMS also. To file a nil GSTR-1, send an SMS to 14409 from your registered mobile number in the prescribed format. You will receive a confirmation message, and once you reply with a verification code, your nil return will be filed. A taxpayer who needs to amend any supply record furnished in GSTR-1 for the same tax period or add any supply record of same or previous tax period within the permitted timeline, the amendment can be done only once for a specified time period. Log into the GST portal using your credentials. Navigate the dashboard to select GSTR-1A and click on Prepare Online. Now, you can make modifications, amendments and deletions in your invoice. Submit the return. Consequently, the combined details from GSTR-1 and GSTR-1A will reflect in GSTR-3B for that tax period.